For years, the iPad mini felt like the quiet member of the Apple lineup, the one that rarely got the spotlight and only received attention when it absolutely had to. It sat in the background while bigger, more powerful devices took center stage, and many users started to believe that its purpose was slowly fading away. But something has clearly changed behind the scenes. As we move closer to the arrival of the iPad mini 8, the conversation is no longer about just having a smaller tablet. Instead, it is about a device that could redefine how we think about portable computing and even play a critical role in Apple's long-term strategy. The shift in focus is noticeable, and it feels intentional, as if Apple has finally decided that the Mini deserves to be more than just an afterthought. The iPad Mini 7 was a step in the right direction, but it was still cautious. It introduced improvements like the A19 Pro chip, better software capabilities with Apple Intelligence, and finally addressed issues like the infamous jelly scrolling that frustrated users for years. It was reliable, fast, and refined, but it did not feel revolutionary. The iPad Mini 8, on the other hand, is shaping up to be something entirely different. This is the model that enthusiasts have been waiting for since the redesign back in 2021. It represents a moment where Apple is no longer playing it safe with the Mini and is instead pushing it into new territory, aiming to blur the line between a smartphone and a full-fledged workstation. One of the most talked about aspects of the upcoming device is the display. For a long time, users have been asking for OLED technology in the Mini, and now it finally looks like that request is being answered. Moving away from the traditional liquid retina display to a custom-built OLED panel is not just a visual upgrade, it is a fundamental transformation. OLED brings deeper blacks, richer colors, and significantly improved contrast, making everything from movies to games feel more immersive. But beyond the visual appeal, there is a more practical reason behind this shift. OLED panels are more power efficient and allow for thinner designs, which is crucial for a compact device that is expected to deliver high performance without sacrificing battery life. The internal hardware is where things start to get even more exciting. Historically, the iPad mini has always been a step behind when it comes to processing power, usually receiving chips that were already a generation old. This time, that pattern might be broken. Rumors suggest that the iPad mini 8 could feature a cutting-edge chip like the A19 Pro or even the A20 Pro, depending on its release timeline. This would be a massive leap forward, putting it on par with Apple's most powerful devices. A chip built on a 2-nanometer architecture would not just be faster, it would be more efficient and capable of handling tasks that were previously unimaginable on a device of this size. This level of performance opens the door to entirely new possibilities. We are talking about running advanced AI models directly on the device, generating high-quality video content, and even playing demanding console-level games without any compromise. The idea of a handheld device that can smoothly run titles like Death Stranding or Resident Evil at native resolution is no longer far-fetched. In many ways, the iPad mini 8 could position itself as a serious competitor to dedicated handheld gaming devices like the Steam Deck and the ROG Ally. The difference, however, lies in its form factor and efficiency. While those devices are powerful, they are also bulky and often struggle with battery life. The Mini 8 aims to deliver similar power in a much more portable and practical design. Another fascinating rumor revolves around the audio system. There are reports suggesting that Apple is experimenting with a speakerless design, which might sound alarming at first. However, this does not mean that sound will be compromised. Instead, the company could be using advanced vibration-based audio technology, where the display itself acts as the speaker. This approach has been seen in some high-end televisions and offers a unique way to produce sound without traditional speaker components. The biggest advantage of this design would be improved durability and water resistance. By removing external speaker grills, Apple could make the iPad mini 8 fully waterproof, something that has never been achieved in an iPad before. The implications of a waterproof tablet are significant. It transforms the Mini from a device that you carefully handle into one that you can use almost anywhere. Whether you are reading by the pool, working in the rain, or simply not worrying about accidental spills, the added durability changes how the device fits into everyday life. It becomes more versatile and more aligned with real-world usage scenarios, especially for people who rely on their devices in dynamic environments. Design-wise, the iPad mini 8 is also expected to evolve. While the overall footprint may remain similar to the current 8.3-inch model, the bezels could be reduced even further, allowing for a larger display within the same physical size. An increase to around 8.7 inches without making the device bigger would enhance the viewing experience while maintaining the portability that defines the Mini. This edge-to-edge design approach has been a long time coming, and it reflects Apple's ongoing effort to maximize screen real estate without compromising usability. All of these changes point toward a bigger vision. The iPad mini 8 is not just an upgrade, it is a statement. It suggests that Apple sees a future where compact devices are just as capable as larger ones, where power is not limited by size, and where portability does not come at the cost of performance. The Mini could become the perfect balance between convenience and capability, appealing to a wide range of users from casual consumers to professionals who need a powerful device on the go. In many ways, the iPad mini 8 feels like a turning point. It represents the moment when the Mini steps out of the shadow of its larger siblings and establishes its own identity. If even half of the rumored features become reality, it will not just be another iteration. It will be one of the most important devices Apple has released in years. The idea of having such immense power in a device that fits in your hand is both exciting and transformative, and it challenges our expectations of what a small tablet can truly achieve.